remember our classroom rules? So, do you remember our classroom rules? Do you remember? Naka-remember ka ba mo? Wala na. So, our classroom rules is respect everyone, especially your teacher. So, I want you to respect every student or every classmate that you have karon ng gawa. And one mouth policy. If I am talking, kung sa'yo buhatin ninyo, mag-ilog. Isa'y mag-yaw-yaw. Okay, raise your hand if you want to answer if you have questions. I don't want you to ako ugot na siya. And fourth one is, stay in your seat until the class is over. So, I don't want you to roam around, magkakagatan mo, murang ulang mo makuha o logo. And five, actively participate in any activity. Kasabot man mo that every activity has its corresponding point. So, mauna inyo buhaton. The first activity is I have here a jumbled letters and I want you to arrange the letters according to the corresponding numbers. Okay, who wants to answer? Okay, Miss Pinian. Okay, what is the word being formed? Energy. What is the word being formed? Energy. Okay, what is energy? What is energy? Okay, what is energy? Puso, usa pa man. What is energy? Power, usa pa man. It has the capacity to do? Usa man? The capacity to do? Okay, the capacity to do work. Okay, as you remember in your grade 8, what are the different forms or types of energy? Kinetic energy. Okay, kinetic energy, yes. And potential energy, we have mechanical energy, and then energy. Saman, energy. Magmatic energy, yes, pwede. Radioactive energy, and then what more? Okay, power energy, kinetic energy, gravitational potential energy, and okay, there is also called solar energy. Okay, the word being formed is energy. Okay, the different types of energy. Okay, we have thermal energy, radiant energy, light energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy, electrical energy, gravitational energy, mechanical energy. Okay, that is the different types of energy. Are you familiar with the energy? Yes, you are familiar because you are using it every day at home. That's very good. And now I have here different pictures, and I want you to identify if the picture is moved picture or address object. Move or address object. Okay. So, all you need to do is paste it. It is move or address. Okay. Identify. Okay, how about this rotating fan? Is it move or address? Move or address? Okay, it is move or address? Okay, very good. How about this one? Up. Stored water in a dam. Stored water in a dam. Address or move? Address or move? Okay, very good. How about this one? Apples on a tree. Address or move? Apples on a tree. Address or move? Very If I don't say proper but it is address or move. Address or move. How about this one? A girl running. Move. Address. Okay, it is move. How about this one? Address. Speak. Address or move. Address or move. Compress. Speak. Compress. Compress. Move or address? Address. Or address? No. It is only compress. It is address or move. Address or move. It is compress. If it is stored, it is move or address. Okay. How about this one? Address or move? Why am I talking about move and address object? And why am I talking about energy? Okay, because our learning objectives for today is all about our learning objective is all about the different forms of mechanical energy and energy transformation. They define different forms of mechanical energy and explain energy transformation in various activities. So we are going to talk all about that object, address, object in motion or in moving object. So now, let's move on to our Okay, now let's move on to our activity. I want you to list 5 daily activities in your homes that requires you to use your energy. Okay, are we clear? Yes, list 5 daily activities that requires you to use your energy. Okay. Okay, swat ninyo sa inyong notebook. Okay, before that, I have here a video. First, before that. Okay, let me clarify first. Before that, I have here a video and I want you to listen. I want you to observe what is the video all about. Okay.
Energy is all around us. We can't see energy, but we can see the things that energy does. Energy makes things move. It powers the machines we use. It can make things get hotter or produce sound. Energy lights up homes and cities and power the vehicles we use. Plants and other organisms need energy to live, grow and carry out life processes. Energy cannot be created, nor can it be destroyed, but it can be changed or transformed from one form to another. And we can observe this happening around us every day.
What is the video about? What have you observed about? Energy. Okay. About sa mga Jud? Another place. Okay. Kung man to from one place to another. Okay, that is motion. Okay, you already know what is motion and what is all about. Okay, now let's move on to our activity. Okay, as you observe Walking, yes, we have that. Yes. Okay, I'll give you 3 minutes to finish your work. Okay, are you done? Okay. Miss Pinya, can you write all your daily activities on the board and please write it on the board? Okay. Identify if the daily activities that we use every day consist of energy. So, itaon na to ang isuwat ni Miss Pinya if you are the same. Okay. The activities that Miss Pinya wrote here is exercising. Does this use energy or not? Yes. Washing plates? Yes. Okay, walking? Yes. Cooking? Yes. Bathing? Yes. Okay, what are your other activities? When?
Walking, cooking, washing the dishes, cleaning, and doing homework.
Okay, yes, that requires energy. How about you, Gravilio? How about you, Gravilio? Okay, playing volleyball, walking, okay, that requires the use of energy. Now, let's move on. Okay, this is the daily activities that requires you to use your energy. We have walking. Okay, that requires you the use of your energy. The use of your energy. Now, why am I talking about energy? The move at rest, and the moving object and the at rest object. It is because our topic is all about energy transformation of mechanical energy, specifically the activities that requires the use of energy transportation. Okay, first is let's identify what is energy. Okay, energy is the capacity to do work and store in different forms. Okay, it can be stored in different forms. It can be a moving object. It can be a rest object. So that is energy. For example here, the energy of the man enables him to push a cart. Because of the energy of the man, naunsa man ang cart? Okay, na-move. Okay. If I put battery at the back, am I exerting an energy or not?
Yes.
How about I am dancing? Exerting or not? Singing, exerting or not?
Exerting.
Okay, it is exerting energy. So every thing that we do in our own homes requires us to use our energy. Now let's move on to mechanical energy. Why are we talking about the energy transformation of mechanical energy? So read everyone. Mechanical energy is okay. Mechanical energy can be move object and at rest object. It can be moving or at rest. So that is mechanical energy, which upon is work is done. So there is work happening. Okay, the energy of either an object in motion. Okay, what is motion? It moves from one place to another. Okay, or the energy that is stored in object by their position. Okay, mechanical energy is also the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy. So it is the combination of potential and kinetic energy. So that is mechanical energy. We have the formula ME is equals to EE plus PE. Okay, ma'am. Kinsa man na si potential energy o kinsa po na si kinetic energy? Do you wonder who is or what is kinetic and potential energy? Okay. There are different forms of mechanical energy. We have the potential and the kinetic energy. When you say potential, it is commonly considered as a stored energy having the potential to do mechanical work and energy possessed of object at rest. So, the object that possess and at rest or nag-stored lang or nagpuyo, that is called what man? Potential energy. So when I say energy possessed of an object at rest, it is okay, potential energy. We have the formula. P is equals to mgh. Okay, m is the mass and g is the gravity due to acceleration and h is the height. So later on, maybe next week we will tackle this one. Okay, energy possessed of object at rest. Potential energy. So it is stored. Okay, potential energy is stored energy and move at rest or move object at rest. So when you say object at rest, it is stored energy. It is stored energy. It is okay. Potential energy is stored and object at rest. So we have various forms of potential energy: the gravitational and the elastic potential energy. Now let's move on to kinetic energy. So it is energy in moving matter and wave, energy being used by a moving object. Okay, for example, the accelerating car. So it consists of kinetic energy or potential energy? Okay, when I say moving matter and wave, it is? Okay. A moving object, moving object, kinetic or potential? Okay. What is the difference between potential and kinetic energy? Okay, Gwen.
The potential energy, ma'am, ay kaya muna ang mag-rest, ma'am, then ang kinetic energy is muna ang mag-move of the motion.
Oh yes, very good. So there are various forms of kinetic energy. We have motion. Okay, what is motion? Okay, move from one place to another. Okay. We have the radiant. Okay, from the sun's radiant. And next is we have thermal. Okay, what is thermal? Ang kainit. And then sound. Okay. Mag-produce of sound. For example, this one. Am I producing sound or not? Okay, that is okay. Now, let's talk about energy transformation. Okay, what is energy transformation? So, energy is neither created nor destroyed, but it can be transformed or transferred from one form to another. So, energy, di siya magbuka, di siya mag-change, o di siya mag-create, but imura siya ma-transform from one form to another. Kisa may nakakita dili o transformer na salida. Okay. Okay, from kung saan man siya? From a car to a bumblebee. Maasin ko siya. Isa ka? Okay, Optimus Prime. Okay, for example, atong Power Rangers. From a civilian into a superhero. So there is transformation happening. So when you say energy transformation, what it is? Energy is neither created nor, but it can be changed from, or it can be transformed from one form to another. So from one form to another. So another is energy is simply transformed from one form to another, or transferred from one system to another, and there is an input and output system. So if there is an input, there is also okay, input and output that during transformation or transformation. Now, let's move on to the different examples of energy transformation. Okay, isa man makaligog na diri o waterfalls. Isa man. Okay, isa man nakaligot diri o falls. Okay. Okay. Okay, listen. Water from the top of the mountain has gravitational potential energy. So, ang naating sa top is na ay gravitational potential energy. So, as the water goes down, due to gravity, its velocity increases, and the gravitational potential energy of the water now becomes kinetic energy. So from gravitational potential energy to kinetic energy. So from an at rest object to a moving object or moving matter. So as the water goes down, if na ay nahitabo kapag naog, so there is change or na-transform siya from kinetic energy. From potential energy to kinetic energy. Okay. Kinetic energy increases as the water moves downward, while the gravitational potential energy decreases. So, if munaog day siya, if munaog ang water, the kinetic energy increases, while ang gravitational potential energy will decrease. So, they are inversely proportional. If the potential energy rises or increases, the kinetic energy will definitely decrease. And if the kinetic energy increases, the gravitational potential energy decreases. Okay, very good. Okay, always remember that gravitational potential energy is the energy content of a body with respect to the position above the surface or above the ground. So if nagay siya sa above, that is gravitational potential energy. For example, naano siya gravitational potential energy or not? If I drop this one, maunsa naman siya? Ma-transform into kinetic energy. Very good. Now, let's move on to this one. So let's get in the mystery box about the archery. So are you familiar with this toy?
Yes.
Are you familiar with this toy? Okay. Ano? What's naman? Okay, who want to perform? Okay, go. Okay, please, itaan ninyo si Pat. Okay, the stretched string of the bow stores elastic potential energy. This energy of the string can do work on the arrow. Okay. Pero, okay. The elastic kinesia, it has elastic potential energy. So when you say elastic potential energy, it is stored in an elastic mga object. For example, rubber bands, a string, and, okay. Ano sa pamando? Elastico, yes. Elastic. As ay kuan, ang string sa arrow, ang string sa string, magdo siya kung work sa arrow. Anak, sa mata. So, the energy of the strings enables the arrow to launch there. So, na ay energy ang string. So, ang energy sa string, iya ma-transfer sa asaman. Sa arrow or sa stick na kapot? Arrow. So, from elastic potential energy to kinetic energy. So, it is transformed from one form to another, from potential and elastic potential energy to kinetic energy. So, when the string is released, is that? So when the string is released, its stored elastic potential energy is now converted to kinetic energy to launch the arrow. So the kinetic energy of the string, which released the arrow, is now transferred to the arrow moving in the air. So the energy of the string will be transformed into the arrow. So from elastic potential energy to kinetic energy. Okay, kinsa may nakasakay na o roller coaster, amusement ride. Okay, unsa man siya? Unsa man ni? Okay, this is Amina, in this area, the kinetic and the potential energy is almost equal. So, kay wala pa man siya ni Saka, wala pa man siya ni Naog. So, the kinetic and potential energy in this area is equal. So, as the car goes up, its potential energy increases. And while the kinetic energy decreases. So, if the card goes up, what happens to the kinetic energy? Okay, maunsa ang kinetic energy? And then the potential energy? Okay, mo increase. Okay, as the card goes up, what happens to the potential energy? Okay, the potential energy in this area is maximum. O naan na siya sa pinakataas kaayon niya nga unsa man? Kahapon. So, the kinetic energy in this area is almost equal to 0. If maximum na ang iya energy diri ang iya potential energy, the kinetic energy is 0. So, as the card goes in a loop, unsa man ang loops? Unsa ang loops? Tuyok. So, as the card mo insert siya into loops. So, as the card goes up, what happens to the kinetic energy? If the card goes up, mo increase. And if the card goes down, what happens to the potential energy? Increase. If the card goes up, the kinetic energy decreases. And if the card goes down, the potential energy. Okay. If it goes up ang card, what happens to potential energy? If the card goes up, the potential energy increases, but the kinetic energy decreases. If the card goes down, what happens to the kinetic energy? Increase. And will decrease. And if naana siya diri dapita, no. Bantayan ninyo ang ila ka habulon. If naana siya diri the kinetic energy is maximum, but the potential energy is almost zero. So guys, sa hapon kaayo, the potential energy is maximum. Pero pag ang kinetic energy, and then if aria, the kinetic energy is no maximum. The kinetic energy is maximum, while the potential energy is almost at zero. So kita anin no ang ilang habugon. If diria, they are almost equal, and if aria, the kinetic energy is maximum, and the potential energy is almost zero. Now, how about this one, ang light? Okay. So, kini di ay siya, ang light is nasa di siya energy transportation. Okay. From electrical energy into from electrical energy into what happens? Light energy. From electrical energy, pagsaksak na po sa light o pag-turn on sa light, there is light energy. And what happens? If dugay ganyan ninyo siya ipasiga, muinit o kayo, what energy is that? Thermal energy or heat energy. Okay, are you okay? What is the energy transformation in this? From electrical to light and thermal energy. Now, let's move on to this one. This naman, from akong makakilele, makakapano, star. Okay, ikaw, guys. Start. Sige, guys, isound. Okay. Kung sa may na-produce sa sound. Nakaproduce o sound. Okay, guys. Yes, the switch from potential energy into kinetic energy. As I strum this one, there is kinetic energy. As I strum the guitar, there is kinetic energy. And it produces or it transforms from sound energy. So as I strum, there is kinetic energy. And it will produce sound energy. Okay, very good. And kisay familiar ani na duwa sa inyo. Okay, what is the energy transformation? Take from electric potential energy into kinetic energy. Okay. Okay na ta. Okay. I'll give you 3 minutes to inyo ikon mag-brainstorm mo sa inyong kagalingon. So share a situation wherein you use energy transformation in your own home. So, okay, pag-una-una na mo dara. Okay, who wants to share their ideas? Okay, who wants to share? Okay, anything that use energy transformation in your own homes. Okay. Okay, Kali. Sige, Kali. Unsa man Kali? Oh yes, mag-ana dumbbell from? Unsa man? Unsa man siya na energy? From? Potential to kinetic energy. As you are sa dakuan, naanay Okay. How about the TV? The TV from electrical to thermal and sound and light and heat. Okay, wala pa nga. Okay, who wants to share? Okay, Bante. Shocking, yes, from Usaman. Potential to kinetic energy. If mag-move ka, there is. Okay, pag anak pa lang ka, nag-anak pa lang ka, potential or kinetic. Pero pag nagdada na ka, okay, there is moving happening. So when you say, motion, ano sa ito motion? Okay, what is energy?
One place.
Energy, what is energy? Okay. Okay, there is so nga, the capacity to do work. And what is mechanical energy? Okay, work is done and so nga. Okay, one yes. Clap once if you hear me. Clap twice if you hear me. Clap thrice if you hear me. What is mechanical energy? Okay, Estrella, what is mechanical energy? Okay, na ay work na hitabo. And it is the sum of potential energy. Okay, very good. And how about, okay, what are the different types or what are the two types of mechanical energy? Christina? Okay, potential energy and kinetic energy. So, Petere, what is potential energy? It is object at rest or stored energy in an object. And how about kinetic energy? Fiel, what is kinetic energy? Okay, from a moving object. And what is energy transformation? Okay, what is energy transformation, Yuhan? Ano ang energy transformation, Yuhan? Okay, Petere. Okay, energy is neither created nor destroyed, but it can be transformed from one form to another. So there is an input and there is an output. Okay, very good. How does, and okay, I have a question. How does energy transformation may be related in our daily activities? How can we relate energy transformation in our own homes? Kung saan man siya? Okay, kamusta naman sa atong mga buhatunon? Okay, for example, gusto mo ng TV, gusto mo ng cellphone. That is appliances. So the appliances that we use has energy transformation. Okay, for example, the TV, there is energy transformation of the TV. So as you suck the TV, there is electrical energy turned into light energy, sound energy, thermal energy. Okay, another, sa mga example. Pag on off, turn off the lights and close the door. Okay, kanta. Gana, ba na nakanta? Okay. Okay. Do you understand what I am talking here? Okay, and okay. Energy transformation is neither created nor destroyed, but it can be when you say kinetic energy, it is moving energy. Okay, and when you say potential energy, okay. Mechanical energy, kabili. It is the, so muna mechanical energy. There is, okay, there is potential energy and kinetic energy and work is done. Okay, very good. Naka-understand mo wala? Okay. Am I clear or not? Clear. Okay. Miss I absent. Who's absent? Okay. Secretary, later, please note the absentee for today's discussion. Okay, so yun na kayo niya eh. Get one and pass. Get one and pass, okay? Get one and pass. If na sobra, just raise your hand. Yes. Yes. Okay, you can use your surname talaga. Okay, surname. For example, there is two pulustiko here. Just write your name and okay, in circle the answer. Answer na. Nana sa igbaw. Ipunta natin sa igbaw. Okay. Kuha nga. Kuha na siya. Nakuha na na dati. Kuha na siya. Kuha, basta lagi multiple choice. Kuha na siya. Dara ka po na. Okay, kuha nga. Okay, baksiya. Kisay walay yan sinanda. Kaya agin ko eh. Kaya tibenin mo eh. Okay, kisay walay yan sinanda. Okay. No cheating, please.
Work karon.
Ball pens up. Ball pens up. Ball pens up. Okay, read the question carefully and give you another 1 minute. Yun na. You done? Okay, ball pens up. Ball pens up. Okay, pass your paper to the front. Pass your paper to the front. Okay, silently. Silently. Pass your paper to the front. Please collect the collect the paper to the side. Okay. Okay, listen. Okay, let's identify if you mastered our lesson for today. Okay, when the string is released, its stored blank is now converted to blank to launch the arrow. A. Kinetic energy to elastic potential energy, or B. Elastic potential energy to kinetic energy. Letter B. From elastic to kinetic. Okay. A book fell from a bookshelf and hit the ground. What could be the energy transformation from the time the book is on the shelf until it hits the ground? Nasa shelf. Potential to kinetic energy. Very good. It hit the stone. Okay, letter B. Letter C. Potential, kinetic, and then potential aside. From sa above, panatihok, to natihok paubos, kinetic to paubos, which is the potential. Okay. It is the capacity to do work. Energy. Okay, very good. What is the energy stored in elastic potential energy? What is the energy stored in elastic objects like spring? Okay, elastic, gravitational. Elastic or gravitational? And how about this one? Energy is created, not destroyed, but it can be transformed from one form to another. Energy transformation. When you say energy transformation, it is the energy is not created nor destroyed, but it can be transformed from one form to another. And your assignment, I will send it to the GC later. And that's all. And thank you.